Okay guys, today I'm going to show you how to make these coasters, these really pretty coasters. It's my first tutorial, so be patient. I've got hay fever, so sorry. I'm going to try not to sniff. On these, I used one, this is how they got poured, this way. I used one layer of my cute little, wait a minute, these little inks, alcohol inks that I mixed with pearl. See the pearl on the bottom? Can you see that? You just have to really shake them up before you drop them. And then I used the white, where the heck did my white glitter go? Oh, here it is. My white dirty bottle white glitter to push the inks down through, and you can see spots. See these spots here? And you can't always help that. See that? Okay. So that's what we're going to do today. So, but I might try 2 layers of ink instead of 1, and we'll see if that gets rid of some of this clear out here. This is pretty though, but you can decide. So just let me go mix my resin and get everything ready, and I will be back. Okay, so here we are. I'm ready with my glitter and little pearl inks up here for 4 different coasters. And I've got glass chips and shells for each coaster. And I'm just going to go ahead and do it without speaking in case I can figure out how to speed this up, because I'm going to do all 4 of them and I don't want you guys to get bored. So it doesn't take very long though. I don't know. We'll see. All right. I will just start. I've got my, wait a minute. I have my little 1 ounce of resin in each one of these, and I'm probably going to have to add a little bit more because I've got a little bit left, but so that they're all about the same thickness. All right. Okay, that's step 3. Step 1 is the glitter, 2 is the glass chips and the shells, 3 is the resin, the clear resin, and 4 I add the inks. Okay. All right. Here I go. Oh my God. Okay. Let's see. Whoa. See, I don't even know how to do this. I have no idea how I did it. But this is what I'm going to do. Just going to sprinkle it in here. This is yellow. Maybe I can just use my nail. Okay. This is a turquoise. Oh dear. Can't wear long sleeves when I'm doing this. Okay, and look at that green. Oh, wow. I just got that. Okay. This pink. Come on. Jeekers. Okay. Now, glass chips. shells. Make sure everything looks good. And if the shells are still sticking up, I've still got a little bit of resin left. I'm just going to make sure they're all covered, okay? I hope I've got enough. This is the yellow and pearl. Oops, almost forgot. Jeepers. Ink time. Just going to cover it. Where'd my white go? Oh my God. Oh, it's right under my nose. Ay, ay, ay. Oh my goodness. I'm sorry, I should have had this off. Ay, 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 ay. Okay. I don't know if you can see it, but these ink, with this pearl in here, they're so beautiful when they're moving around because they're so sparkly. Just, oh, wow. I wish they could stay that way. But I guess not, because they solidify. Nothing I can do about that. This doesn't have to be perfect, as you can see. I'm taping.
What?
I'm taping. Oops. Okay, when you shake these a second time, rather than putting the cap on, I'm just going to put my finger over the hole so that this doesn't go everywhere. So before, the ones I showed you, I just had one layer of ink with the white. Now I'm doing the second layer of the pearl inks with another layer of white, just to see what happens. Oh, see what happens when you don't remember to put your finger over the hole? Oh my goodness. That's a great tutorial on what not to do. Don't wear long sleeves because you might tip something over off camera. Or not. See, this is already coming in here. So, maybe this will make the difference. Put one right, two right there, three, okay. Oh, got stuff everywhere. Ay, ay, ay. What a mess. Put the finger over the hole. There. God. Okay. And believe it or not, this, well, it did it the first time. The inks will not go under the, to cover up the shells and the chips. And don't ask me why. I don't know. But it's like a miracle. Whoop. Oh well. Okay, I used up all the resin and I've done the 2 layers of ink. So I'm gonna, this is part 1, and I will shut this down now, and I will be back tomorrow to unmold them. Okay, so that'll be part 2. And then I'll put all of this on at the same time. All right? All right. Bye, guys. See you tomorrow. Well, it'll be quick for you.